We understand that finding a home can be challenging, which is why we are introducing Canterbury Student Manor, a historic student house that is located on the magnificent banks of the Great Stour in Canterbury. The property offers a combination of studios and ensuite rooms for you to choose from, with the on-site multimedia center, internal and outdoor gyms, games area, common room, private study room for groups or individuals, and other amenities. Canterbury Student Manor offers more than just a place to stay. Also included is a separate dining area and kitchen, which is great for hosting dinners. The central courtyard is surrounded by a beautifully landscaped garden. This is where you could play table tennis or utilize the outdoor gym. Due to its proximity to the University of Kent, Canterbury Christ Church University, Canterbury College, and the University for the Creative Arts, this location is the wisest option for any student in Canterbury. The city center, where you can find every kind of store, restaurant, and entertainment hub, is also only a short stroll across the river. Connect with us at Amber and make your student adventure more thrilling.